Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to show you what I've got in this box today. I've got a new skillet that I'm adding to my collection, and when I saw this online I just had to have it because I just liked the way that it looked, and there was a lot of features to it that just kind of geared me toward wanting to purchase this. So I did purchase this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by this company, and this is from the Smithey Ironware company. They're located in the United States, and this is manufactured at their forge in Charleston, South Carolina. So we'll look at this now. I've got a carbon steel Deep Farmhouse Skillet. This is the 12-inch, and it is handmade, and it is made in the United States. Again, I can see here that it says it was forged at their manufacturer in Charleston, South Carolina. So let's go ahead and open the box up and see what we've got on the inside. So on the lid here it says, I'll pull this down so you can see what that says there. It says, we've hand forged your smithy to become an heirloom. Use it frequently. Rekindle the lost traditions of American craftsmanship. Let it play a small part in setting the table for warm meals and pleasant memories with friends and family. Pass it on wisely. So with anything that we've got with our carbon steel and our cast iron skillets, those you can pass down to generation. And so this one is really nice. This one again is handmade, and I've got some that are made by machine, but this one is really nice, and I'll show you some of the features of that. Here on the side it says 12-inch carbon steel Deep Farmhouse Skillet, and it's got a card in here, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. So let's take a look at this skillet and see what we have here. So we've got this nice skillet here, and I'm going to go ahead and move this box out of the way. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Nope, that's all that's in the box. That's all that we need, right? We need our skillet. So I've got the box set aside now, and again, this is their 12-inch Deep Farmhouse carbon steel skillet, and you can see here where the handles are made, and you've got the markings here on the side of where it was hammered out by the craftsman that made it, and here on the bottom it says Forged Smithey, Charleston, South Carolina. So this is a really beautiful skillet. Even the little helper handle here is hand forged as well. So it does have the rivets here on the side, and I can see the markings on those where those look like they were hand hammered into the skillet to close that off. Let's take a look on the outside. So we've got the rivets here on the outside along with that handle that we see here. Now their signature logo here is a quail, and they've got a quail here on the end of the handle. That's really a nice little touch to that, and I don't see any of the other designs on that anywhere. So let's take a few measurements and see what we have here, and we'll start with the inches of the skillet and see where they come up with the 12 inches from. So if I measure it across the top does measure 12 inches across the top. So from side to side is 12 inches, and that in metric is about 30.5 centimeters. Now if we go to the helper handle here and to the outer handle here, let's get that measurement in inches first. That is 20 3/4 inches, and let's see what that is in our metric. That's about 53 centimeters, and that is a nice size on that. And let's do the depth of this. Now they do make another one of their carbon steel skillets. It's not as deep as this one, but I wanted the depth to it is why I picked this one over the other one. It seemed like that one was just a little bit more shallow than what I would like to cook in, so I got the deeper one, and this is the Deep Farmhouse Skillet. So if you go to the website and look at that, you'll see two. This is the deeper one of the two that I have here. So let's measure the cooking surface that we've got on the bottom here. I'm going to go to where it's forged to forged, and that's just about 8.5 inches, and we'll look at that as about 22 centimeters. So let's look at the side of that now. So we'll put that here, and from looking at that from the side, that's about 2 inches, or that's about 5 centimeters on that. So it's got a good depth to it. And let's take a weight now and see what the skillet weighs. I'll bring my scale over here, and we'll get a weight of the scale, and we'll start out in pounds and ounces. And this one is showing 5 pounds 13 ounces. Now let's measure it in the metric and see what we have there. In grams, it's showing 2,663 grams. So that is a nice weight on that. They're typically not as heavy as you would find in a regular cast iron skillet. So we're going to give this a try in a future video and see how this does. Let's take a look at the little card on the inside and see what it says. It says, congratulations on your new Smithey. Your cookware is pre-seasoned with grapeseed oil and is ready for a lifetime of use. Prior to cooking, lightly rinse your Smithey with warm water and dry. Now you're ready to cook. So it does have a pre-seasoning to it. So I'll give that a wash and then take a look at what it says to do next on there. And it says, don't be alarmed if some of the seasoning comes off during the first use. This is normal and will fill in over time with continued use. Bacon in particular can strip the seasoning from a new skillet, but it can easily build it back. Place your Smithey over a warm burner after cleaning to evaporate any excess moisture. So I do that with any of my carbon steel pans or any of your cast iron skillets or pans that you've got. I just put it over the heat and that dries it out. Even though you've got taken a towel and wiped it off, that just makes sure that there's no rust in it for it to get into any of the pits of the metal where that's at. So definitely we'll give this a use. And it talks about the first use and about cleaning. So and then the back, it says caring for your Smithey, using a neutral oil like grapeseed or vegetable oil to use your Smithey. And it talks about seasoning. So we'll definitely give this a try and cook in it and see what it's going to do. I just wanted to kind of give you a brief show of what this is today and what was in the box. So if you've got a Smithey carbon steel pan, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And if you don't have one and you're looking at them, maybe this might help you make your decision by just a little bit of the measurements that I've done here. And subscribe and share the video, because we're going to come back and do some cooking in this and see how it's going to do. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other two videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I want to hear what you think about this Smithey carbon steel deep farmhouse skillet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.